to my channel. My name is Ariel and today we're gonna do a Dollar Tree haul. I got a lot of stuff. I got mostly Dollar Tree stuff, and then I have some stuff from a local dollar store. So I got this wreath form for a fall DIY. I got 2 frames because I'm working on a gallery wall. These are 4x6. I'm trying to do my gallery wall all black, and I'm mainly using thrift store frames and frames that I already had on hand and just spray painting them black. But Dollar Tree also has a great selection of frames of all sizes in all black, so even if you're doing another color, you could probably do a whole budget-friendly gallery wall using just Dollar Tree frames. Then I got a lot of fall things that I'm gonna craft with, so I'm gonna do a really nice fall DIY with these spiders. They have these bone things. These are kind of new this year, and it's just bones. And so I'm gonna do a craft with this. I don't want to give it away, but a craft is coming with these. I got 2 packs because I'm gonna need 2 for what I'm about to do. Nautical rope. Let me see how many I got of these because I got a lot. I got 3 of these because I want to have them on hand for other craft projects. I also got the white rope that they have. I don't know. And oh gosh, I stocked up on this because I did a light DIY, a DIY light fixture, a rope light that I made when I first started my channel. It's probably my 2nd or 3rd video, and I wanted to do it with this kind of rope, but when I went to the store to get it, they didn't have this. They started selling this last year and they didn't have any more of the cotton ones, and I ended up having to use the dark rope. And then when I went to like Joann's Fabrics, it was just impossible to find this rope to do the project, and by the time it was done, that's when I saw the rope again. So that light fixture, I will always wish that I had this rope to be able to do it with. And now I never want to not have it, so I think I got 5 bundles. I got this skull. I have a little DIY plan for this. Subscribe so you don't miss my project. Sharpie markers from the Dollar Tree. And then this is also for a DIY that's coming up for fall Halloween. I'm not gonna give it away. I have this bowl. It just came with a little plastic in it, but it's just clear plastic bowl. This is also for DIY coming up. These are for a DIY as well. I'm not sure if I'm going to use these or the small spiders or both, but this is for another DIY. I got florals. So these were some of my favorite ones from last year, and you might see these in an upcoming video as well if I haven't already posted it yet. But these wheat ones are some of my favorites that they had last year and brought back this year. And Heather something, and it is, looks like that. And then a foxtail. Got 2 foxtails. Sticky back cork board that they sell. This is a little canvas, and this goes with a little DIY that I'm doing for Halloween. It looks so plain, but yes, I'm gonna do something Halloween themed. So the next thing I have is the claws. They're little serving spoons or serving hands. I'm gonna use these for an upcoming DIY. Next, I have these skulls. This These are also for another Halloween decor DIY that I'm gonna be doing soon. Mini buckets, and they're just skull themed. Next, I have these. Now these are just, they're vase filler beads or something from the floral section, and they have these all year round, but I'm gonna be doing a really nice high-end looking budget, really budget friendly craft DIY with these. It's gonna look really super simple and super high-end, and it involves these guys, so you want to make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss that video. Okay, next I have these ethanol wipes. I had to pick these up because it was a pretty big bag of wipes and it was in the cleaning section. I'm not sure if this symbol means that it doesn't kill germs or that it does kill germs, and I've never used ethanol wipes before. I actually wasn't really sure what it was, but if you guys know what ethanol wipes are or what you use them for, please let me know in the comments. Teach me something, let me know. But I'm gonna look it up, do some research, and try to use these. So this one I'm gonna use, I feel like people don't pay attention to the teacher section enough, and I found these in the teacher section, and you get, it's basically a stencil. They say they're die cut letters, but a lot of people, I heard in a video recently somebody saying how the Dollar Tree doesn't have a lot of large stencils, and this is something that you can use as a stencil. It's kind of hard to see. I'll try to insert the footage from the store if I can, because it was a little bit easier. But anyway, basically these can be used as stencils, or you can just stick them onto your projects if you want to use letters as is. I also found this little clip cable connector. It's not for craft, but this is for my phone, because I am one of those people who definitely goes through a lot of cords because they get bent on the end. So if you're like me, then this is a cool little find that I found today. And then I opened these up because I was really anxious to see, because on the back it says it is a 2-in-1 stylus, and I thought where it said ballpoint pen on the end, I thought that it meant I'm gonna insert a picture of the unopened package, but I thought that it meant that it had a fine tip end and that it had the bubble end like this, and it was a 2-sided stylus, but actually the one side is an actual writing pen, an ink pen, and then the other side is the bumpy stylus. So if you guys know any good places to get like a fine point stylus, that would be more helpful, I feel like, because this bumpy and I feel like it's just as thick as a fingertip. So I was looking for something with a fine point, but I still recommend these because I think they're kind of fancy looking, and I think they would still be pretty useful. I got this apple slicer. I have one apple slicer from another dollar store, and my mom doesn't do too well with it because it's hard to grip on the sides. But this apple slicer I got because I eat apples. I like to eat apples sometimes for breakfast with peanut butter. Let me know if you guys also like that. But this just cuts down on the prep time for my breakfast when I'm having apples. So, and it makes it easier to pull this push down. I got this. I'm gonna do a DIY with him too. He's about to get a whole transformation. He's gonna get a makeover. Oh, and I got this whisk because it has the silicone. And I don't know how long they've had these with the silicone and then the stainless steel end, but this is a nice whisk. Can really whip something up. I also got this, and I didn't realize they take like C batteries or some sort of watch battery. I didn't realize that, but I got this, and I'm gonna use it for a DIY if I can find a battery to put in it. And then I got this. I've seen a couple of other people using this in recent videos, and it's their roller cutter in the craft section. These last few items are from another local dollar store near me, and these are not from Dollar Tree, but I'm sure Dollar Tree might sell similar items. I picked up these elbow supports, and they also had ankle supports because my nephew plays football and my mom is an older lady. I got these mainly for them. This is for an upcoming DIY, or I think these were actually for fall, but I'm going to be using them for making some Christmas DIYs. Some twine, this cotton rope twine, and the jute twine. I want to talk about this lint brush because I was using the peel and stick or peel off lint rollers, and I have a lot of pets with a lot of hair, so it just became too much money to keep buying those, because I would lint roll the couch and use half a roll lint rolling the couch in one sitting. So this lint brush saves me so much time and so much money because it's just $1. So if you see these at your Dollar Tree, they have them at Dollar Tree, but I got this one from my local dollar store because both my Dollar Trees didn't have any the last 2 times I went. But they do sell something similar at Dollar Tree. So if you can and you do a lot of lint rolling, whether it be your clothes, your couch, your pet, if you have pets, definitely I recommend something like this that is reusable. So you just want to roll on the side that has the most friction, and then to take it off, you just run your finger along it. You can either wet it and then just run your finger off, which is how I clean it off, or I think you're supposed to just like brush it the opposite direction or something. But this is so useful. I can't talk about it enough. They had these C chargers at my other local dollar store, and I wanted to pick this up as well just in case. And I forgot to mention these books. I actually forgot them yesterday when I was filming, and I also forgot them for my last Dollar Tree haul, but these are basically the little magazines that they have there. And I picked up Small Space Kitchens, and there's like tons of really good ideas in here for storage and organization. Like this is really good. Vintage style DIY. Look at this wreath idea. Isn't that cute? You could do that probably with any fabric you want. But there's good ideas like that for us that are crafters and creators. Here's some cleaning naturally. So if you're interested in that type of stuff, they have that one. These are the ones that I got. And I might try a couple of the DIYs in there, but there's a lot of inspiration. And so I do DIYs, home decor, home improvement on a budget, and budget shop with me's and all that kind of stuff on my channel. Make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss any future content. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Break a leg, break it, yeah, break it. Anyway, he was the one to dance earlier, like a shimmy. Anyway, whole glam up.